With shrinking ARPU, stricter regulation and churn, communications and digital service providers must fight for every cent. Maximizing profit is top priority. Yet, in the vast ocean of data, can you spot the hidden treasure? Introducing Cividia Insight, a decision-making solution delivering actionable business insights to your fingertips, enabling you to pinpoint and prevent leakage, remedy prioritization, and discover new profit opportunities across silos. From raw data collection through business analysis, Cividia offers you a truly end-to-end solution, integrating revenue analytics expertise gained from over 150 deployments, running 55 trillion transactions every year. Let's take a look at how Cividia Insight helps maximize your LTE profit potential. It's 11:05 a.m. Senior Manager David Smith receives an alert that LTE risk and exposure levels are unexpectedly high. He instructs risk analyst Linda White to investigate and provide remediation actions. In the fraud department, analyst Rick Davis identifies rising levels of unfair data use. A quick drill down helps reveal the scale of damage and helps Rick formulate a plan to restore profitability by migrating abusers to alternative price plans. It's 3:15 p.m. Revenue Assurance Analyst Damon Shaw uses Cividia's margin analysis dashboard to uncover opportunity loss for new unlimited price plans due to a missing billing policy. He quickly gathers the critical information needed to send detailed remediation actions to his CFO. From mobile money, machine to machine, video streaming, and beyond, Cividia Insight delivers actionable insights to enhance your overall business performance. Cividia, turning your data into value.